If Citi Mobile won't let you log in, don't retry over and over. That can lock your account. Try this instead. Check if Citi is having a temporary outage. Search Citi Mobile outage. Then fully close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Citi Mobile app and then swipe it away. After that, reopen it. Then turn off any VPN, private DNS or ad blocking apps. Then switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then head over to your app store, search for Citi Mobile app, and then make sure to update it to the latest version. Then if credentials fail, tap forgot user or password. Tip: public or work Wi-Fi often blocks banking logins. Mobile data works best, and that's it. Subscribe.